Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will share how you can make $580 doing this. We made $15,000 doing this, and you can make that much money too. Basically, you can make $1,000 to $2,000 per day or $100 to $200 per hour if you follow this video step by step. The good news is this method is completely free. Everything you need is completely free, and you can make money without any investment. It can be done from any part of the world, and you can get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency or any other payment methods. So stick to the end of the video as I will share a very popular website, how they make millions of dollars, get millions of traffic, and you can do exactly the same way without doing the hard work. This is by far the most passive way to make money online, but all you need to do is to stick to the end of the video, get every step-by-step process. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn the real way and the easy way to make money online. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They will also learn how to make money online, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next video. And use my softwares, which are completely free, but to make it really happen, you need to understand the theory behind it and the steps, and you need to take the exact steps I'm going to tell you. So you ready for this? Let's begin. We will start with this website that is called g2.com. Now, we are not going to the steps inside this website as it is already covered in another video. I will put the link to the video either somewhere up there or in the description. So look for that. But in this video, we will cover how this website g2.com has created such an impact and making money for a lot of people, including themselves. So let us go to the theory. First, this website is all about product reviews. As a reviewer or as a user, you can review any product. Now, why would you do that? Number one, maybe you're excited. Number two, maybe somebody asked you. Number three, maybe you're getting paid from those companies. Yes, you will make money by writing reviews on this website. But this is not where we are going. We want to look at their traffic analytics, and they get 5.2 million monthly visitors every single month. And a lot of this traffic comes from search engines, which is Google. And this is where all the opportunities are. In order to get all the high traffic softwares or products that are being reviewed, what it means is a lot of people, thousands, millions of people, search on Google to know about softwares or products, and they end up visiting this website and read the reviews of the users. It means a lot of people look for reviews. Now we want to know which products people are looking for. So for that, we go to Uber Suggest. It is a free software. It has a free version you can get a lot of information from. And if you want to go for very cheap premium version, then you will get all the information. Now, at the moment, I'm not an affiliate of this website. You can simply search for Uber Suggest and use this application. It will tell you what are the keywords people are looking for and for which keywords this g2.com is getting traffic for. So I found these keywords. All these keywords are software names. Wow. So what do we understand from this? People are looking for product reviews or ratings of these products, softwares, and they became keywords. If you or me write user reviews and ratings, then we will also get traffic, and we can make money as affiliates. This is one way to make money. Another way to make money is Adsense. So if we display Adsense ads on our high traffic blogs, then also we will make money. Now let us go back to basics for a moment. Why do you think people visit internet? People come to internet for information and entertainment. And of course, a little bit of utilities like softwares, etc., but mostly information and entertainment. So now if I ask you, how do people make money on the internet? People make money by sharing information and entertainment with others. For entertainment, look at funny cat videos, they get millions and millions of views on YouTube. And for utilities or information, look for product review like Zoom review, and you will see hundreds of thousands of views on the videos. Similarly, there is a problem, huge problem on the internet, especially the internet marketers. Every internet marketer, whoever wants to make money online, needs a website. Of course, this method doesn't require your website, but a website is an identity. But for website, you need a hosting server. Hosting servers charge you monthly recurring fees. And that's why my company solved this problem by offering a one-time payment for a hosting server, and that is HostZpresso, and we are giving away 50% commission to the affiliates, whoever promoting it. Now, we have promoted this ourselves as affiliate, and so far we made $15,000 as affiliate. Other affiliates together made around $200,000 so far. But here's the thing, because this product solves a big problem, people love it, and from 2,910 visitors, we made $15,000. Now here is another affiliate who sent a tiny little traffic, 434 people. He made 68 sales and made $580 commissions. So if you look at HostZpresso review, then you will find this blog, and this blog belongs to my affiliate. You see this? This is a blog created by my affiliate, and from this blog he's made sales of $580. Now, what do you need in order to make money promoting awesome product like HostZpresso or any other product on Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank or even Amazon? You need a blog builder software. So link in the description, you'll get an auto blogging software. Go get that software and create your review blog completely automatically. Then you'll find another software that is also free that will drive traffic to your blog from Pinterest and from Facebook completely automatically. In case you want to go for YouTube route just like us, make videos, and you are shy to make videos using camera, don't worry, link in the description will give you our video creator software. It uses AI, and the only thing you need to do is to copy and paste links to make videos using this application. Go get it, it's free. And then create amazing, helpful review articles, publish review videos, get traffic to your affiliates, get traffic to your affiliate links. Literally, you can make money on demand. Millions of people are looking for product reviews every single day. Use my automatic softwares, AI softwares, give them information, they will buy from you and you will make money. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way they will also learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. They will also get our softwares 100% free, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.